I would like some cookies.
Yes, of course. Wait a few minutes.
Excuse me,
Yes, tell me.
can I help you?
Okay, come. Look, it's a homogenic mass because you can't see the ingredients.
Oh look, I can see the sugar.
Yes, this is because it's a heterogenic mass.
Oh, now that I've added all the chocolate, I can see all the pieces.
Yes, this is because it's a heterogeneous mass.
Good morning, kids.
Good morning.
Today we are going to learn how to do an experiment. But first, we have to know the percentage of the solute. To calculate the percentage of the solute, we have to divide the mass of the solute between the mass of the solvent and multiply this by 100. So we have 5% of solvent and 2000 grams of water. And as we know, 1 gram of water is equivalent to 1 milliliter. The next thing we'll do is multiply 200 per 5 and then divide it by 100. We're doing an equation. That's why 200 passes to the left multiplying and 100 dividing. And this means we have to put 10 grams of copper sulfate in our experiment.
Teacher, can we start?
Yes, let's go! In two test tubes, we fill them with 100 milliliters each. And then we put them in a beaker. The next thing we'll do is weigh the copper sulfate. When we finish this, we add this to the water and mix it. Okay, let's do another experiment, but first we have to turn to the class. We have to know how many grams of salt we have to put in this experiment. If the only clue we know is that we have to put 35 grams per liter, how many grams of salt do we have to add to 150 milliliters of water? The first thing we have to do is multiply the milliliters by the grams. So we have to convert the milliliters to liters. like this. As we can see, 1 liter is equivalent to 1000 milliliters. So we'll have to divide 150 by 1000. So this result, we will have to multiply it by 35, and the final result is 5.25 grams of common salt.
Hello! My name is Martina and I'm the substitute of your teacher Veronica because she had an accident with boiling water. Tell me.
Are we going to do an experiment today?
Well, you've given me idea. I'm going to teach you the change of states. Hello.
Good morning!
Well, in the other class I told you that today I'm going to teach you the corpuscular theory. So let's start. In the solid states, the particles are ordered side to side. Like this. When the temperature rises in the liquid state, the particles are unordered, like this. And they are moving constantly. And when the temperature starts rising even more in the gas state, the particles that are moving and get energy from the temperature starts flying away.
Here we have water and solid state. If we heat it with a hair dryer, for example, we see that because of the change of temperature, the water is melting and becomes a liquid state. If we heat up even more the temperature with the cooktop, the water starts evaporating and becomes a gas state.